Hi, Jenny Jones here, the retirement expert. Hey, I get a lot of people reaching out to me and contacting me saying, hey, I'm investing with Robinhood or some of the other stock companies out there, and they ask me, hey, how successful will I be in putting a retirement plan together? And what I wanted to do was cover something with you really quick that most people don't know about. Now, when you're investing in something like a Robinhood or one of the other ones that are out there, you're actually doing what's called dollar cost averaging, right? If you're putting in the same amount over a certain period of time, you're probably interested in how much money will you have. Well, what I wanted to do was run a quick sample and quick scenario. $500,000 seems to be the magic number with people ask me about, so I wanted to use $500,000. So let's say this particular person was 25 years old, and they'd like to retire at 55, living in the beautiful, wonderful state of California, and their house had a household income of $65,000. And I used a hypothetical rate of return of 10% because I figure if you can do 10% over at least 7 years, your money could possibly double. All right, so we use a nice 10%. And if you're interested in what that 10% and or that money will look like over a period of time, you can go ahead and look at one of my other videos and it'll show you what inflation will do to your 10%. But in this case, we wanted to have a $500,000. So what I wanted to do was show you what the result will be. So what we'll have is, what you'll need to do is you'll need to be able to invest $420 a month in a taxable investment. In this case, we used Robinhood, which would be taxable, and we'd use it $420 a month, and that would get us over that period of time. We would have a $500,000. The unfortunate part about that is if you add in inflation of about anywhere between 3 to 3.5% over that same time period, the $500,000 is really actually worth $178,000. So these are some of the tools that we use here. And so at 55, that's how much it would be worth. So these are some of the tools here we use to try to help retirees get to the right amount and do the right investing. Glad I was able to have this opportunity with you. If you're interested in more, please subscribe to this channel and or see the video up to the left and or the video to the right.